Is your laptop giving you trouble? Don't worry. Bonita Springs Laptop Repair Service is here to help. We're the #1 choice for laptop repairs in Bonita Springs. We offer fast and reliable repairs for all your laptop issues. Whether it's a sluggish system or a shattered screen, our expert technicians can fix it all. Enjoy the convenience of our on-site repair service. We come to you, whether you're at home or in the office, anywhere in Bonita Springs. Need your laptop fixed quickly? We provide same-day or next-day service to ensure your device is back up and running in no time. Our services are affordable with transparent pricing. You can trust us. There are no hidden fees, just honest and upfront costs. We cater to both business and personal needs. From individual users to large companies and students, we handle it all with professionalism. As your local experts in Bonita Springs, Florida, we are trusted by hundreds of satisfied clients. Our reputation speaks for itself. We handle a variety of common repairs, including cracked screens, virus removal, slow performance, and hardware replacements. Whatever the issue, we've got you covered. Don't let a broken laptop slow you down. Call us today at 239-387-1900 for a free quote or visit bonitaspringsLaptopRepairService.com. Schedule your repair now and experience fast professional service.